Welcome to the world of learning, where every step you take leads to new discoveries and endless possibilities. But let's face it, studying can sometimes feel like climbing a mountain. It's tough, it's challenging, and at times, it can seem overwhelming. But fear not, dear student, the journey to success is not about how hard you work, but how smartly you study. It's about understanding how your brain works and finding the strategies that make learning easier and more effective. Summarize your notes, create mind maps, and use flashcards to reinforce your memory. Visualize complex concepts through diagrams and illustrations. Practice, practice, practice until every problem becomes second nature. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your knowledge. Each small step you take is a building block towards your goals. So, embrace the journey, stay focused, and always believe in yourself. Because with determination and the right steady strategies, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Study smart, and let your brilliance shine. Until next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining bright.